Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 12, that is algebraic expressions. Today's topic is how are expressions formed. We combine variables and constant to make algebraic expressions. Variables means you know that is N, R, N, R, X, Y, R, Z, R, L, or any alphabet, that is called variables. Then we use these letters in variables. Variables can take various values. It has no fixed value. That are called variables. Variables. Then constants. Constants have fixed values. They are suppose 4, 10, or 100, or minus 70, or minus 45, like this, any number. These are called constants. So, constants have a fixed value. Algebraic expressions is combined with variables and constants. Suppose it is a variable with constant. This is an algebraic expression. And algebraic expressions, we have the operation of addition, here it is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. Then what the algebraic expressions are? Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is addition. Suppose like that subtraction. This is variable and it is constant. Constant with variables, that expressions is called algebraic expressions. This is subtraction and this is multiplication and this is division. These are called variable expressions. These examples obtained by combining by variables with constants. So we can also obtain the expressions by combining variables with variables or variables with constants. So these are called algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expressions? The expressions containing on variables and constants. So, in this 4x plus 5, this is a expression, and this expression they have parts which are formed. This is one part and it is another part. This is added. So, these are two parts and these these parts are called terms. So here 4x is one term and 5 is another term. Do you understand terms? What is the meaning of term? They have parts which are formed separately and then added. That parts are called terms. Now 4x is there one term and 5 is there another term. These are the terms. Then the term factors are there. 4x means what is the 4x? 4 into x. And 4x are the factors of the term 4x. Do you understand this one? 4 into x are the 4 factors. 4 and x are the factors of 4x. The term is the product of its factors. Do you understand what are the factors? Suppose the expression having x square or 4x square. Then what are the factors? 4 into x. These are the factors of 4x square. Suppose that is minus 3y square x. What are the factors of that? 3 into y into x. These are the factors. 3 minus 3 y x. These are the factors of minus 3y square. Do you understand what are the factors? Now come to the coefficient. What is the meaning of coefficient? coefficient. Coefficient means we will have to write to the term as a product of factors. You learn now. This is suppose the term is there, but how to write the factors of the term you have already learned. Now, product of the factors are the term is term. One of these factors may be numerical or variables. Suppose 4x square is there. What are the factors? 4 into x into x, and 4 is the numerical factor, and this x is the variable factor. Like that way, here also it is one variable, it is numerical. Then suppose the question is 4x is there. What is the coefficient of 4x? That factors are for coefficient. It is 4 is also a coefficient of x. This is numerical coefficient. Are you understand? Factors may be numerical or other. These factors are called coefficient of the expression. So here 4x is there, means it is the factors is 4 and x, and 4 is the numerical coefficient of x, and x is the coefficient of 4. Do you understand now? What is the coefficient? Coefficient means what is the factors may be numerical or other variables. Those factors are called coefficient of the expression. Suppose question is 3y square. What is y square x? This is there. Suppose that example. This is the what is the numerical coefficient of what is the coefficient of y square x? What is the coefficient of y square x? Suppose the question is asking this, then that is minus 3 the coefficient of y square x. Suppose the question is asking what is the coefficient of x of the term minus 3y square x. Then what you will write? You will write minus 3y square. Do you understand now what is the coefficient? Only numerical number is coming, that is the numerical coefficient. Other things are variables, coefficients. So all factors are the coefficient of other factors. Suppose what is that y? What is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y means what you will write? Y means you write minus 3 by x. These are the coefficient of y. Like that you have to write the coefficient. Do you understand now? Next, another number, suppose 3xy. What is the coefficient of x? Then what is the factors? This 3 into x into y, these are the factors. And what is the coefficient of x means? What factors are there with the x? Then what are that? That is 3y. So what are the coefficient of y? Then you will write 3x. What is the numerical coefficient of the term 3x? Then that is 3. Now you have understood me. Next, coefficient of the coefficient over now like and unlike terms. Like and unlike. What is the meaning of like and unlike? Like means when the terms have the same algebraic expressions, those terms are called like terms. Suppose here 4x minus 5, one expression is there, another 7x plus 2, like this is there. Here in this expression 4x is there, here also 7x is there. The variables are the terms having the same algebraic expression. This is called like terms. These 4x and 7x is like terms. If the terms have the different algebraic factors are called the unlike terms. Suppose here 4x given, there 7x square, 7x square or 5y square, like this is given. Then these all are not the same. So these are called unlike terms. Do you understand? Like terms and unlike terms. Like terms mean like terms have the same algebraic factors, and unlike terms are the same different algebraic factors. Suppose here 2xy plus 3x is there. Another term is 5xy minus 7y is there. Like this is there. Then same algebraic factors what are there? These are xy. Here also xy. These are same algebraic factors. So this 2xy is like 5xy. These are like terms. Okay. Like terms is same and unlike term means different algebraic factors. Those are called like terms and different. Suppose 4x plus 5 is there. How many terms are there in this expression? This expression, 2 terms are there. 4x is one term and 5 is another term. Which expression having 2 terms and suppose one term is there. It is one term, this is 2 terms. Suppose the expression having, it is how many terms are there? It is 3 terms are there. The expression having only one term, that is called monomial. Monomial. Do you understand? The expression having only one term. This is 5x means 5 into x. This is one term with that is called monomial. The expression having 2 terms, that is called binomial. Binomial. And the expression having 3 terms, that is called trinomial. Trinomial. Do you understand now? What is that? In the expression having one term, that is called monomial. The expression have 2 terms, that is called binomial. The expressions having 3 terms, that is called trinomial. The expressions having 3 terms means that is trinomial. If the expressions have one or more than more terms are there, that is called polynomial. Polynomial. Do you understand now? This is binomial, monomial, trinomial and polynomials. This much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.